Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So, today our topic is how to calculate number of bars in a slab. So, here we have the slab and its length is 63 feet and breadth or width is 31 feet and the center to center distance is 6 inch, which we converted into feet, so divide by 12, which are zero point 0.5 feet. So the main bars have number 4 bar and center to center distance is 6 inch. Here we have for the distributed bar as same as main bar, using number 4 bar center to center distance is 6. So the solution, first of all, we are finding the number of main bars, that how many main bars are required in this distance. So the total distance divided by center to center plus 1. This is the formula for main bar. So here we have the 63, which are the length, divided by zero point 0.5, which are center to center distance, plus 1. So here we have the number of bars in a given length is 127 number of bars. So the total length is 127, which are number of bars multiplied by 63, this distance. So here we have the length of the total length is 8001 feet. So for calculating weight of main bars, here we have the formula. This formula for finding weight of steel bar in a kg. So d square divided by 52.9 multiplied by L, where d square is number 4 bar. So putting the data, 4 square, which are number 4 bar, divided by 52.9 multiplied by 8001, which are the total length of main bar. So here we have the total weight of main bar 2420 2420 kg. So for finding number of bars for distribution bar, here we have the same formula which we were used in the main bar here. So using this formula also same for distribution bar. So the formula we have total distance divided by center to center plus 1. So here we have the total distance and the distributed bar 31 divided by zero point 0.5 plus 1. So here we have the width of slab. This is the zero point 0.5, which are center to center distance between two bars, which are zero point 0.5 plus 1. So number of distributed bar is 63 numbers of bars. So the total length we calculated for distributed bar, which are 63 multiplied by 31. 63 is number of bars in main bar and 31 is the width of slab. So here we have 1953 feet. Weight of distributed bar. So here we have the same formula which we used for main bars. So d square divided by 52.9 multiplied by L. So here we have the number 4 bars and 6 center to center distance. So here we also used number 4 bars for as same as main bar. So taking here number 4 bar, 4 square divided by 52.9 multiplied by this length, the total distributed bar total length, which are 1953 feet. So we put that 1953. So here we have the total weight of distributed bar is 590.78 kg, 590.78 kg. So here we have the weight of distributed bar is 590.78 kg. So the total weight of main bars and distributed bar, which are is equal to, by addition of these two bars, 2420, which are this, and the total distributed bar weight is 590.78, which are 3010.8 kg. So in Pakistan using man, so we are using to calculate that in man. So there this the total weight of main bars in distributed bar, which are this, divided by 50, which are is equal to 60.21 mon. Now here we have the steel bar quantity which are required for this given slab. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel to get more videos on YouTube, Mr. Engineer. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Thank you for watching.